All hearing ticking out there. But it's something dangerous. Stand clear. Check its... What? Holy spaceship! I know this thing. It's a Star Wars spaceship. You're right. No wonder they have a Star Wars. Back in the 1970s, people used to watch Star Wars movies. Even that Darth Vader. Somebody gave us a Star Wars spaceship. Well, how could it be? We're gonna have to figure this out. Ready for another spider climb, Miles? You bet I am.